What's going on, guys? I'm Matt from DSR, and today I've got the Honda NT1100 with the DCT option. I'm going to take you through a little crash course on how to use the DCT and how it operates. To see if the bike is DCT, you'll see there is no change lever, and then more importantly, there is no clutch at the front. What we do have on the left-hand side with your left thumb and your left trigger finger, the thumb is going to be the down gear shift, and then the trigger finger on the back side is going to be the up shift. Moving on to the right-hand side, this is where the magic happens. We've got neutral, drive, sport, and then this is A&M, so automatic and manual. Another thing we have is a handbrake, so obviously you can't leave this bike in gear. To operate the handbrake, pull this lever all the way around, and that is it. Bike will not move. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to take the handbrake off so we can see that. As we can see, the bike is in neutral. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start her up. Still being in neutral. Obviously nothing's going to happen. To initiate drive, the first thing we're going to do is going to push that in. That's going to go into drive, and there we go. From there, twist the throttle, and we can start moving. When we want to stop and we want to put it back into neutral, simply push that button once, back into neutral, and then we can turn off. If you want a little bit more va-va-voom whilst you are riding, you have got different rider modes, but just a simple push of the button from D to S makes a massive difference. When you are in sport, there are then also 3 separate sport levels. All you do is in the D and S button, you just push and hold that, and then it will click on through between 1, 2, and 3. And that'll be donated by that S there. See those 3 lines? There you go, 1, 2, 3, push and hold. That is an easy way to get a little bit more oomph out of the engine. I can hear you say, you still want more, va-va-voom. Well, easy enough then. You're going to put it from automatic into manual, and then manual is where you're going to use the flappy paddles on the left-hand side. So exactly like you would with the quick shifter, you're going along and then use your left trigger finger to go up through the gears, and then come to a stop. Use your thumb to then come down the gears. It is as simple as that. It may look confusing, but it really isn't. The only thing that you need to kind of get your mind around is that muscle memory of your clutch and your foot. Every now and then, my hand and my foot do kind of twitch, and I do go for the lever or the gear changer. Well, I hope you found this useful. If you did, like the video. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. And until the next one, ride safe.